What if one court ruling could change the future of thousands of Indians living in America? And what if a battle over constitutional amendment become one of the biggest immigration victories in the years? Well, tonight, the United States Supreme Court has delivered a judgment that goes far beyond politics. It goes to the heart of what it means to belong to India. In a landmark decision, the Supreme Court upheld birthright citizenship, rejecting President Donald Trump's attempt to deny automatic US citizenship to the children who were born with the parents living in America on temporary visa, even including H-1B, international student, or even visitor visa. At the first glance, it may look like a legal defeat for Trump. Nearly 3 lakh Indians working in the United States on H-1B visa, well, there is a ruling that removes one of the biggest fears surrounding their children's future. Many of these professionals spend years, sometimes decades, waiting for a permanent residency just because of America's massive green card backlog. And yet, while parents remain stuck in the immigration queues, their children born on the American soil will continue to receive the US citizenship by birth. And now nobody can steal it. And that changes almost the whole rhetoric. Trump argued that birthright citizenship should not apply to the children whose parents are in the country only temporarily. His administration pointed out to concerns over the so-called birth tourism, where people allegedly travel to the United States just to secure a citizenship for their babies. But critics argue that the executive order went much further, affecting the legal immigrants who live, work, and pay taxes in America. Now, the Supreme Court has reaffirmed a principle that existed for almost 150 years. Chief Justice John Roberts wrote that the constitutional promise remains very much clear. If you are born in the United States and fall under its jurisdiction, you are an American citizen. Well, this is not just about the legal language. It is about identity, opportunity, and the future of immigrant families. Indian American leaders have also called a ruling a major victory. They argue that the children should not lose their rights simply because their parents are waiting in America's immigration system. But the political battle is far more from over. Well, Donald Trump has already called the ruling too bad for our country and suggested that Congress could still try to change the law through the legislation. Well, whether it is legally possible or it remains uncertain. So, while today's decision offers relief to thousands of Indian families in the US, it also signals that America's immigration debate is entering another critical phase. Because the world's largest economy fight over who belongs to the US and who does not, and it is about the future of America itself.